What is the first step to start visualizing data in CRM Analytics? Greetings, folks! In this video, we will learn what a dataset in CRM Analytics is and how to create it from scratch. My name is Vanya. I'm a Salesforce developer at ENWAY. We help businesses overcome challenges using Salesforce. Now let's dive in. CRM Analytics, formerly Tableau, is a powerful tool for data analysis and visualization. Check my previous video to learn more about dashboards in CRM Analytics. The foundation of any dashboard is a dataset. Think of CRM Analytics dataset as a collection of data that can be viewed in a table-like format. A dataset orders the data neatly into rows and columns, helping to make sense of the info and create cool visualizations. This data can actually come from various places like Salesforce objects, external data sources, and even from other datasets. Without a good dataset, CRM Analytics can't do its magic. Now let's create a new dataset. We have 4 possible sources for our data: CSV file, Salesforce data, external data, and custom datasets. For our example, I chose Salesforce data as a source. We can build datasets from Salesforce data using Dataflow or recipes. I will use recipes as a more convenient tool. Let's navigate to Data Manager. Here we click Recipes and choose New Recipe. Then we add input data. We choose only Salesforce objects and add account and opportunity with predefined columns. In the next step, we connect our objects using the join node. After that, we apply the join key that combines account ID and opportunity account ID. So on the right, we see all our opportunities. If an account exists, it will be seen as well. Now I will add another node called output that defines the output of our dataset. I name it and save to my private app. Click Apply. The final step is to save and run. I name my recipe and save it. All is okay. Let's return to the data management page to see how the synchronization goes. Here we navigate to manage data flows. On the monitor page, we can check the synchronization status. I refresh it and wait because it can take some time. I return to Analytics Studio and refresh the page. Here is our newly created dataset. Let's open it and see what we can do. Here is our ungrouped dataset that consists of only one column. Let's group it by stage. Wow! Now we see a bar chart with our opportunities grouped by stage. Let's add an additional filter. I chose the amount field, so I am interested in the opportunities with an amount greater than 500,000. Click Apply. Wow! Our chart bar has dynamically changed according to the filter conditions. We also can visualize our dataset in columns. So, here I've shown you how to use the prepared dataset in basic charts. Also, you can choose the other type of charts and change the formatting. In the next videos, I will show you how to create other cool elements of CRM Analytics dashboards. Subscribe, hit the like button and stay tuned. And if you need help with implementing CRM Analytics, ENWAY can help you. Follow the link below to contact us. Thanks for watching. Bye!